So,
ba?
yes.
Sige. Medyo ano ka tonight ha? I would say that your energy is quite, ano daw, tawag dito, nakakahawa. Viral. Okay, sige, yun na yun. Contagious. Your energy is quite contagious tonight, candidate number 1. Okay, here goes. Paano magiging modelo ang Catanduanes, ang ating probinsya Catanduanes, sa pagiging matatag at pagkakaisa ng tao?
So, the answer, my own answer, your question is that we are teach them sa Antuanon that the mother help them to become resilient, that we use it to other like tourism in our Island. That's all.